If you love coding, or you are a programmer, or you are going to start your career in programming, then this video is for you. I am going to tell about the basic principles of the programming in this video. Number 1. KISS. Yeah, that's right. Keep it simple, stupid. That means don't write complex code. Too complex code. Always write simple and easy to understand code so that anyone can easily understand your written code in future. Second, dry. DRY. Don't repeat yourself. That means whenever we write code, if there is a piece of code which is repeating again and again, that means you are not following the basic principle of the programming. If a piece of code is repeating again and again, then you should keep that portion in a separate function and you can call it whenever it's required. Third, open and close. That means your code should easy to extend and easy to modify. After 1 or 2 years later, if there is a requirement of modification or extension in your code, then your code should accept the required changes. Then fourth is single responsibility. That means the code you are writing should be single responsible for the particular feature or module. The class you are writing, which should contain only the related functions itself. Suppose if you are writing a code for a login module, then the login class should contain all the functions related to login only. This is single responsibility. Then fourth is concerns of separation. That means your code should keep separate the data layer, the business logic layer and the view part. All the modern MVC frameworks are based on this principle. Number 6 is Yagni. You are not going to need it. Yeah, this is one of important basic principle of in programming. Sometimes we write code for future, but the basic principle says do not write code for future. If the problem does not exist, then do not write code for that problem. Number 7 is refactoring. Refactoring means whenever we write code, whenever you are writing code for anything, then whatever comes in your mind, you write that time. But after some time, when you revisit your code and look into that, then you will observe that there are a lot of improvements areas in your written code. So whenever you get time, you revisit your code and refactor it. Number 8, documentation. Your code should be proper documented. That means each and every line or function or piece of logic should clearly mention that what is the purpose of that logic, that lines and that function. Number 9 is always write neat and clean code. If your code is going beyond the one screen, your single screen, then that means your code needs refactoring. So we should keep in mind all these basic principles of programming before we are going to start our career in programming. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you find this video helpful to you, then like it, share it, and please subscribe it. Thank you.